Welcome to another weekend product review. Just got this in the mail. It's called the Crb3001. It's a battery tester and an OBD2 scanner. You would just, if you had a problem with your car, get a warning light on your dashboard, check engine light or something, you would connect one of these things on it. This is like the most fanciest OBD2 reader I've ever had. Has an LCD display. Has the cables where you would attach onto this launch creator battery tester and connect to your OBD2 module under your dashboard of your car. Fortunately, my friend is over, and he's got a BMW X2 mini SUV, and he has a check engine light on his dash right now, and also a low brake fluid warning. So let's connect it on there and see what it reads. Maybe we need to add some brake fluid to it, huh? It also is a dual purpose thing. This is the only OBD2 tester that I've had that also you can connect your jumper cables onto your battery and test the health of it too. So we'll do two things today. First, we'll test the codes on his car, and then we'll test the battery too while we're at it. Looks like you can charge up this thing with a basic micro USB charger, and it's got nothing else but instructions. So let's turn this thing on and see if it's already charged. So there's no on and off switch. I know I could read the instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. Got a serial port in there. You're able to connect this module, this wire, this cable on here, and this is for the OBD2 connection for under your dash of your car. You could also connect the battery tester part to this. And I think once normal OBD2 diagnostic tools, you could just plug it in there and it's powered. You know what I mean? And also when you connect these to a battery, there's the power connection to power this up. So there is also an area where you can plug in a USB. We'll figure that out when I try this. I'm gonna go plug this underneath the his OBD2 module first, and so we can see what we see. So I just found the module underneath his dash, and I just turned it on. As you could see, or maybe you can't see, it's got the main menu on the LCD screen. BTS, I think that's battery testing, diagnosis, IM, review, lookup, print, wow, setup, info. Oh. It's not touchscreen. I'm gonna get you closer. Okay, so I've got you inside now. We're inside the car, and I've taken this from BTS. It looks like a battery icon to diagnosis. I'm gonna press OK, and it says processing, entering system. I mean, they're really looking through your system here. You know, it's taken a little bit of time here. Usually the OBD2 testers are like lickety split once it reads. Communication error. If tools OBD2 connector is connected to the vehicle, oh, the ignition has to be on. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the ignition. We'll do the diagnostics. Monitor status, mill status off, ECU readiness completed. I don't understand any of this stuff, do you guys? I'm just gonna press OK. Code. This vehicle has no fault codes. Okay. Well, that's cool. This is obviously extremely detailed with the diagnostics. So the only codes that he has is the door's open, you got a service brake light on, and it needs engine oil service. But it doesn't have any codes. This vehicle has no faulty codes. So these are not faults, these are just warnings for the car. Look at this. We have to lift this cover just so we can see where the brake fluid reservoir is. And the battery is in there. Can you believe that? All right, with the new BMWs, the battery is in there. So there's a little thing where you put the negative there. And then there's a little thing where you put the positive over there, okay? But the battery's like under there. I connected the new jumper cable alligator clips to it. And now the battery powers the display. And so it says BTS there, as in the Korean pop star group. Then you do okay. And then it's going do 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 do. Well, it's not making that noise. I'm making that noise, right? But you just test the health. It goes do 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 do. Okay, look, it's going do 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 do. Current voltage is 12.6 volts. Okay. I don't know what that means. Common battery, or is this an AGM battery? I think this might be an AGM battery, but you know what? Let's just do common battery. CCAs. You can enter the CCAs. I mean, I'm sure it's like 650 or something, you know? Let's just do 700, okay? And then it's processing. Again, it doesn't make that noise. I'm making that noise. How's it go? Look at that. 100%, 100%, 12.6 volts. Well, that's a battery tester, but obviously it's very advanced. It goes into deep information on the data, which you can find out through this. But if you guys wanted an OBD2 tester that also backs up as a battery tester, you can find out all the data about your car that you need with this Crb battery tester and OBD2 diagnostic tool.
And what noise does it make?
So that's it. That's the test for the Crb battery tester and OBD2 diagnostic scan tool. Very useful for somebody that deals with auto mechanics on a daily basis. There's never anything wrong with my car, but if there was something wrong with your car, you could find out with this diagnostic tester tool. I think this cable is for downloading the data into another device. I don't believe there's a battery in here that charges, because it uses the voltage from your battery to power that, and then to power the OBD2 tool, you use the module underneath the dash. So very cool item to have. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.